Hello my fellow friends. Today we are going to make a gingerbread man. So without any delays, let's start. So we'll first close this tab. So now we have our cube. We are going to delete it by pressing X or pressing delete. We'll press Shift A, mesh, and we'll add a plane. So now what we'll do is we'll rotate it in Y axis 90. So it's like standing. We'll scale it a little bit. I'll scale. Yeah, I'll grab it up. Now what we'll do is we'll take a reference image. So now we have the reference image. We'll grab it up. We'll enable X-ray mode, and now we'll carve out the gingerman bread out of this plane. So how to do that? We'll press tab in our keyboard to go in edit mode. Else we can go from here also. So now what we'll do is we'll press 3 in our number pad. We'll grab it a little bit down, zoom it a little bit, zoom it a bit. And now we'll press K in our keyboard and we'll start knife. We'll cut the outline with knife. So it's done. So now we'll not press anywhere and we'll press enter. So we have our cutout here. We'll go to edge select mode, not edge select, face select mode, and select this outer face. Wait a minute, edge, I think I should hide this empty. And now if I do it, select plane. So we'll select here and here. And now we'll press X and delete faces. So now we have a perfect cutout. And now we'll go to the object mode and we'll extrude this. We'll go to the edit mode again. We'll select this whole face. And now we'll extrude this face. Extrude. Now we'll come out of the mode and now we'll add a bevel modifier. We'll go to add modifier and add bevel. We'll go to the side. I think that should be okay. I'll increase the vertices to 2. And now what I'll do is I'll apply this modifier. So now we have our cutout, and now we are going to make the eyes, the smiley, and also these things. Let me show these things, the white things. So to make our eyes, we'll again press Shift A, and now we'll add again a plane. We'll rotate it in Y axis 90. We'll grab it we'll grab it up in Z axis. Now we'll come to the edit mode. We'll right click and we'll subdivide. I guess 10 times. Not 10 times. We can just do 8 times. So now we'll select these all again, and we'll right click again and we'll go and press loop tools. Go to the loop tools and we'll press a circle. So you may not enable your loop tools. So make sure you enable your add-on called loop tools in edit preferences or in Blender place. We'll again press Shift A, and now we'll add again a plane. We'll rotate it in Y axis 90. We'll grab it we'll grab it up in Z axis. Now we'll come to the edit mode. We'll right click and we'll subdivide. I guess 10 times. Not 10 times. We can just do 8 times. So now we'll select these all again, and we'll right click again and we'll go and press loop tools. Go to the loop tools and we'll press a circle. So you may not enable your loop tools. So make sure you enable your add-on called loop tools in edit preferences or in Blender place. So I'll extrude this also. That will be okay. I'll add a bevel modifier. No, we don't need a bevel modifier. So I'll come out of this and grab it a little bit in x-axis. We'll scale it. We'll enable this. We'll grab it up. in y-axis also a little bit up, I think so. Yeah, and we'll duplicate this and we'll put it here, and also we'll put in here the buttons type of thing. Simply grabs it. Simply grabs it. Yeah. So now we'll come out of the mode. We have this plane, this plane, this plane, this plane, this plane. Yeah. So we'll grab it up, not up, grab it front in x-axis. Okay. And now we are going to make the this smiley and those wiggly things, these things. So to make the smiley, first we'll press shift. Oh my god. Yeah. First we'll press shift A, and in curve we'll add a Bézier curve. And now we'll press tab. We'll press 3 now number pad. Zoom it a bit. Zoom it a bit. Yeah. And then we'll enable this thing called draw. We can draw a freehand spline. Like I'll show you. I'll draw as outline for a smiley. It should be a neat one. Yeah, I think that should be okay. So yeah. So now I'll go to the select box menu and I'll grab it Z axis. I'll grab it Z also. Grab it in my axis. Yeah. And now I'll select this and I'll rotate it a little bit. And I'll also do with this, let's say smiley and those wiggly things, these things. So to make the smiley, first we'll press shift. Oh my god. Yeah. First we'll press shift A, and in curve we'll add a Bézier curve. And now we'll press tab. We'll press 3 now number pad. Zoom it a bit. Zoom it a bit. Yeah. And then we'll enable this thing called draw. We can draw a freehand spline. Like I'll show you. I'll draw as outline for a smiley. It should be a neat one. Yeah, I think that should be okay. So yeah. So now I'll go to the select box menu and I'll grab it Z axis. I'll grab it Z also. Grab it in my axis. Yeah. And now I'll select this and I'll rotate it a little bit. And I'll also do with this, let's say yeah. So we have a type of smile, and also we'll don't forget to delete the Bezier one. Yeah, so now we'll go to the object mode. We'll select our Bezier curve. Where's our Bezier curve? Yeah. And now we'll go to the data properties of Bezier curve, and we'll scroll down. We'll enable geometry. We'll scroll down, and under bevel we'll see something called depth, and we'll increase the depth to, I think, 4. You can see the depth is increasing here. I think 4 is okay. Yeah. So now we'll convert this to a mesh. So now it's a curve. So you can see this is a curve, and for mesh this is the sign. So now I'll right click on the curve and we'll press convert to mesh. So now it's a mesh. You can see the symbol has changed. Now where is the, yeah, we'll select the Bezier curve and we'll select these two loops, this one and this one, and this one. Yeah, and we'll scale it. We'll do one by one. We'll select first this one. We'll scale it down. We'll then select this one and scale it down. Whereas also we'll press Ctrl R. We'll make a loop cut here and we'll scale it. And we'll also do the same here also. Why is it not? Oh, I did shift out. Yeah. Scale. That should be okay. Yeah. So now I'll smooth this out. We have done our smiley. I'll grab it in x-axis. We have done our smiley, as you can see, and now we'll make those wiggly things. So we'll come here. We'll do the same as we did for the smiley. We'll press shift A again. Curve, Bezier curve, tab 3 in our number pad. Zoom it a bit, and we'll go to this draw on freehand spline, and we'll draw a freehand spline. Oh my god, it's not like this. Yeah, this should be a wiggly one. This, what about this? No, this should be not okay. Yeah. Where's, oh, I lost the Bezier curve again. Bézier, yeah. And I'll tab, press tab. Not. Why can't I draw this? This is so hard. Oh my god. I think I have to edit it. I'll rotate this. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah. Select this, rotate this. Yeah. Then I'll add here one. Wait, why can't I add this? Yeah, I'll add a Wiggly to this. Rotate. Grab that. Yeah. Can I add one here? No, I can't. Should we do again? Yes, of course. It's not nice. Okay. So again, 3. So make a little bit. Then we'll go to the freehand spline and we'll draw. Finally, we got something. Yeah. So now we'll delete this, the bottom one. We'll select this. Delete. Yeah. Finally, we got it. Yeah. We'll now again go to the Bézier curve data properties. Scroll down under bevel. We'll increase the depth to, I guess, 0.02. No, this will be too much. 0.01. No, 0.02. What about this? What was? Now what we'll do is we'll grab it in. We'll grab it in x-axis. Okay. Now we'll convert this to a mesh again, like we did before, to the smile. Yeah. Now we'll grab a little bit up, rotate a little bit. Grab x, not grab x, grab y. Grab x. And grab. Oh, wait a minute. Where is the Bézier curve? Oh, I need grab x. That would be better. Now I have here. Yeah, so I'll grab it in y-axis. Grab z. Yeah. So now I'll add this for this hand also. I'll rotate it. Grab z. Rotate. Yeah. Grab z. We'll grab it and we'll grab up. We'll grab in y-axis. We'll again grab z. I guess that should be okay. Now we'll again duplicate this here. We'll grab it down. We'll rotate in x-axis 90. Yeah, we'll grab it down. We'll grab it here. Yeah, here one and grab here. Rotate. Grab z. Grab x. A little bit z also. Grab z. X. Grab. This is like a little bit top. Yeah, we'll also grab it and z. Yeah, I guess this should be okay. But oh my god, I'll grab all these in back. Grab. Oh my god. Grab z. Grab x. Wait a minute. Rotate. I'll rotate this a little bit because this is. Yeah. Grab. Yeah, this should be okay. Yeah, I'll also do the same with this grab. Oh, no, grab X. Grab. Yeah, so we have finally done. Not finally done. We have to make this tie also. So we'll do this. Grab set. We'll make this small for the little thing. Yeah. So for the bow ties, I'm going to add a plane again. Shift A mesh plane. Then I'll do the same which I do for everything. Grab set. And now we'll go to the edit mode. We'll select these two vertices. We'll grab it. Means we'll scale it in. We'll scale it in z-axis. Scale it in z-axis. Yeah. So now we'll select all these vertices. Press Ctrl B. Add a little bit of bevel. We'll choose the effect from edges to vertices, and the offset. This much should be okay. Offset and segments. Yeah, I think this much segment should be okay. Yeah. So we are done. I think so for this. No, we have some junk here. So we'll select these two, and I'll dissolve these by pressing X and dissolve vertices. This X, dissolve vertices. Now I'll select these both, extrude, and then we'll scale Z again. Grab X, mention Y axis again. Yeah, so we are done. So now we'll scale this thing, big thing. Yeah. Grab Z, grab Y, scale it a little bit. That should be okay. Shift D, grab this, and I'll rotate this in Y axis, not Y. Rotate X. Yeah. Grab here. Let me see what's the result. I'll select these all. Means not these all, only this and this. Not the empty. This thing. No. Oh my god. This thing. Wait a minute. This plane. What is this plane? What's this plane? This plane. So I'll select this plane and this plane, and I'll grab it. And I guess that should be okay. No. Grab X. Yeah, I'll grab it in Y axis a little bit. No. Grab Z. Yeah, so now we'll add some colors, but before that we'll add another thing. We'll now delete this empty. No, we'll just hide it so we can save it for later. So now we'll press Shift A, mesh, plane, then we'll press 7 in our number pad. We'll press tab to go to edit mode. We'll press right click and we'll press subdivide. We'll give us 8, I think 8. Yeah, 8 should be better. And I'll right click again and I'll go to loop tools and press on circle. Now I'll select this circle loop by pressing Alt and selecting this. Wait a minute. Why isn't? Yeah, this one. And this one. Yeah. Now I'll press E. Then I'll press there and we'll scale it. Yeah. Yes, that should be okay. And oh, what's happening? Yeah. And now I'll press E again. I'll press there and I'll grab it up. And I'll also scale it. Grab that. Yeah, and also I'll select this loop cut. Yeah, loop, and I'll bevel it a little bit. Control V, bevel. That should be okay. Yeah, I'll smooth this plate. Yeah. Now I'll add a cube, and then we'll add color for everything. Yeah. So we have our cube. Oh, I'm going to scale this again more. Grab Z. Yeah, this should be okay. And now we'll add the color to gingerbread. So I'll enable the empty again, means this thing, and I'll add a brown color to this, the body. Brown color. Yeah, should be a brownish color. This should be okay, I think so. These all will be white. This will be red. So we'll add a material for red. This also red. And also this red. Where is it? Yeah, red. And for these all, we'll add green. This green. And again green. And for this one also, we'll add a green. Yeah, I think so. We have done coloring our Gingerbread Man. We have, oh, I forgot that I have not added any thickness to this. Wait, I'll select all these. I'll press tab. I'll select all and I'll extrude a little bit. That should be okay. Yeah. And I'll also grab it in x-axis, this one. Yeah. So it's looking nice now. So now where is the plate? The plate is like almost invisible for no reason, I think. Yeah. Grab it up. Oh yeah, now it's visible. I'll hide this empty. Let the plate be white, and I'll take this cube and I'll add a lightest green color, lightest one, like that. Yeah. Then I'll also add a little bit bulginess to this gingerbread bread. Oh my god, what happened? Yeah. I'll select this face. No, not that face. Shift this. No. Yeah. And now what I'll do is I'll not the back one, but the front one. Yeah, this is for the front one. We'll extrude it that much and I'll scale it. And we'll scale this much, I think. And I'll add a loop cut here. Yeah. And I'll bevel this. Control B. Bevel this. Okay. Not that one actually. I have to bevel this one. All this. No. Oh, I will go to select mode. All this. Yeah. And we'll press Control B. This thing. Yeah, we have done it. We'll just shade smooth. Now we'll bring this gingerbread bread a little bit back, so all the things can be visible. Now. I think it's a little bit more backs. Yeah. While these are floating. Why are these floating? Yeah. Graphics. Yeah, that should be okay. Yeah. So now we'll come to lighting. Oh my god. So this looks kind of weird. We'll grab it in y-axis. Wait a minute. Oh my god. I'm like moving the cubes. So I'll grab it. Grab it. And also I'll add another light called spot. So I have here light. I'll go to spot. I think I have added a spot. Yeah. I'll grab it up. Just like that. And now I'll increase the power to 500. And for this normal light, I'll decrease it to 250. No, it's too much. I think 500. I'll grab it again. I'll grab it in y-axis. Yeah, I'll also access a little bit. I'll also increase this light's energy. I think 100 will be better. Wait, let me hide this. Yeah, I think this will be better. So I'll select these all. Yeah, and also these ones. Yeah, and I'll grab it down. I'll scale it a little bit. Yeah, grab it down. Now I'll fit the camera here. I'll press Ctrl Alt 0. I'll go to the output resolution and I'll increase this 1920 to 1080. Decrease it. Yeah, it should be like type of square. I'll press N. I'll go to view and in lock I'll enable camera to view and I'll just move a little bit like this. Yeah, this should be nice. I think I'll decrease that color a little bit because it's like too dark. Yeah, this should be okay. So let's render and see how does it look. Just a little bit thing to do. We'll just move it like in the center like this. Yeah, and now we'll press F12. Yeah, so we have our object here. I'll show you more. Wait a minute. Yeah, so here is the Ginger Man bread. Okay, so the Ginger Man bread is looking nice. Okay, so for now we have done this Gingerbread Man. So for now, bye bye.